Now, in a landmark judgment, the Supreme Court today empowered the CBI to investigate senior bureaucrats without any government permission. Is this the big turning point in the operational autonomy of the CBI? Suchetna Ray now joins in with more details. Suchetna.
It's clear that the caged parrot is trying to break out of its shackles, and in its effort, it's the Supreme Court which is helping it yet again. In its judgment today, the Supreme Court has repealed the Section 6 of the Delhi Police Special Establishment Act, which simply means the CBI can now go ahead, question and investigate any top bureaucrat who is at the level of a joint secretary or above. In a landmark judgment, the Supreme Court today said that any bureaucrat should be questioned by CBI as long as there are graft charges being probed against him, making the matter very clear that corruption or even a hint of it will not be tolerated at all. Top sources in CBI tell us that definitely it's a day of cheer for them, but there are various other operational impediments that they still face, though the fact that there will be no permissions that will be required for questioning a bureaucrat from now on, but the fact that there are more than a dozen cases that have been pending since January 2013 for lack of permission to investigate clearly shows the problems that CBI faces as far as corruption or its investigations concerned against the bureaucracy. Top sources in CBI also tell us another big problem in operation is the fact that sanction to prosecute a bureaucrat or a sitting minister or even an MP is hugely delayed. We have to remember that the FIR on the 2G case was filed in October of 2009, but we saw the first arrest in the case only a year and a half later in December of 2010. We did speak to the director of CBI regarding this, and this is what he had to say.